First casualty of the day.
And the last casualty.
And the last casualty.
Trouble too. His battery went dead on. We had to pop him.
Rebuilding the carburetor.
Put the jumper on it real quick. It'll shoot juice in it.
Well, is your bike starting back up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've even got jumper cables. I mean,
I got mini jumper cables if somebody gets next to
you
me.
could like hit to him and let it idle and it would throw juice in it. Enough. Won't it start charging it, Bryce?
If the battery is too dead,
it won't charge.
Some of these don't have a big enough rectifier to actually recharge a battery from dead. But it is a newer bike, so.
You don't think the jumper would do any good? Just zap it?
No. Not if it's starting. If it's starting, it's good. Hey, Mom.
I got the camera on. Watching Bryce do his magic. This is Bryce's bike. KTM 500 EXC. That's Mark's old bike. With Eric trying to ride it, but it's had some fuel problems. My bike, all set up. Don't mind the Coke, I rarely ever drink that. Just happened to be close by. And then we got Willie B. And then Matt's 640 over there. KTM. Say hi. Say hi, Mom.
Hey, Mom. Shout out.
So we'll be on the road soon. Get that puppy carb cleaned out and running again.